is cost accounting. First of all, what is cost? Cost is a value of economic resources and amount has to be paid or given up in order to get something. Next one is accounting. Accounting means it is a systematic process of identifying, recording, measuring, verifications and summarizing and communicating a financial information. Next one is element of cost accounting. There are three elements of cost accounting. First one is the material cost, second one is the labor cost, third one is the expenses. Material cost can be divided into two types. One is a direct material, another one is a indirect material. Labor cost also can be divided into two types. One is a direct labor, another one is a indirect labor. And the expenses also can be divided into two types. One is a direct expenses, another one is a indirect expenses. Direct material, direct labor, direct expenses. This three one is called by prime cost. And indirect material, indirect labor, indirect expenses. This three one is called by overheads. Overheads can be classified into four categories. First one is a production overhead, second one is the administration overhead, third one is the selling overhead, fourth one is the distribution overhead. Next, material cost. What is material cost? It is the cost of commodity supplied to an undertaking, and there is a classified into two types. One is a direct material which can be directly identified with a unit of output or services. For example, cotton used in a production of cloth. Second one, indirect material. It cannot be identified with a specific product or job. For example, small tools, office stationery. Second one is a labor cost. It is a cost of remuneration paid. For example, wages, salary, bonus, commission, etc. Next, direct labor. Direct labor means employee or workers who are directly involved in a production of goods and services. For example, workmen. Next one is the indirect labor. It cannot be directly involved in the activities, supervisor or watchmen. Next one is the expenses. Other than material cost and labor cost come under this category. There is a third element of cost accounting, including a payment to suppliers, employee wages, and factory leases, equipment depreciations. Next, direct expenses. The expenses which can be directly identified with a unit of output. Direct expenses are also known as chargeable expenses. For example, plant and royalty of products. Next one is the indirect expenses. It cannot be identified with a unit of outputs. For example, including insurance, rent, power, light, heating, advertisement. Next is the prime cost. Prime cost is calculated the direct cost of raw material and labor as to involve in a production of goods and services. Next one is a overhead. Overhead cost is a operating cost of business enterprise which cannot be traced directly to a particular unit of output and services. Such costs are invisible or unaccountable one. Next one is a overheads can be classified into four categories. First one is a factory overheads. Factory overheads nothing but it is a indirect material, wages, expenses incurred to the factory. Second one is a office and administration overheads. It is nothing but all administration under this category. For example, office rent, salary, legal charge, traveling expenses, etc. Next one is here, selling and distribution overheads. Selling and distribution overhead is a types of expenses paid the product are sold or finally dispatched to the customers. And scope of cost accounting. Cost accounting was very broad and provide information of cost control and cost reduction as assumed equal significant along with the cost of reductions. Next one. Objectives of cost accounting. There are four objectives of cost accounting. First one is the ascertainment cost. It is a process of collections, classification, analysis of cost and expenses. Second one is a control of cost. It regulates the cost of production. Third one is a cost reduction. It means reduce the cost of production. Fourth one is fixation of selling price. It can be regulating the total cost in the form of variable stages. Next one. Uses and uses of financial information. Who use accounting data? Two type of categories. First one is the internal use, second one is the external use. Internal use is nothing but finance, market management, human resources. External use is taxing authorized customers, regulation agency, investment creditors, and labor unions. These persons are used in a financial information. Next one. Business activities. All business are involved in three types of activities. First one is a financing, second one is a investing and operating. This accounting information system keeping track of the result of each of the business activities. Next, conclusions. Cost accounting is a effective decision making, fixation of selling price, cost reduction of wastage, help in a effective budgeting. Thank you.